all these people running red lights. 3 red lights. Ridiculous. Holy moly. Nothing is safe. Alright world, here's the deal. We made it work. I actually think I made like really freaking good time over here, so that's all well and good. Hate that. It's a bit of a tight squeeze for the roses, but we made it work. I hope that the petals don't fall off, the rose petals. I hope she wants roses. Whoa, dog. Darn, that's alright. We made such good time on the way out here that I'm not too worried about it on the way back. You know, it's all good. It all be good. Although I don't think I get a green arrow here. That'd be really silly if I did. Nope. It's alright. Jeez, bro. Damn, dude, it's muggy, like it's about to start coming down. Well, it doesn't look like it's gonna come down. Maybe it's just muggy. All these people running red lights. 3 red lights. Ridiculous. Holy moly. Nothing is safe. So you could make it here. Well done. You gonna run this one? No? He did. He ran it. It's all well and good. Dude, my front brake is so squeaky. So squeaky. That dude looked like Steven Spielberg. In the last time I rode, actually no, the last time I rode I did not have the GoPro on, but the time before that I complained about what I thought was moisture inside my gauges right after I gave the bike a bath, and it's gone. So not sure exactly what to make of that, but it definitely looked moisturous. So make of that what you will. I don't know. I know it's a common thing, so I probably shouldn't have gone overboard, like spraying the crap out of my gauges, you know. But c'est la vie. I probably won't wash my bike again until like next spring at this rate, so. The Civic Si? It is. Oh no, that was a Type R. Boo! I'm just kidding. Type R's are cool. Couldn't justify it though back when I had an SI. My first car I bought myself, and I liked it. I liked it a lot, but it was whatever it was, like something like 11 grand more or something like that for the Type R, and it was a 4-door. I had the coupe, which they don't even make them in a coupe anymore. They don't even make the Civic SIs in a coupe. They must have not been selling enough, but this makes me a little bit sad. They're one of the only car models today that are only a manual. Like, they don't make them in an automatic. You can't get one. Subaru wishes they could say the same. Actually, the STI is probably manual only, I would think, but the WRX is not, and I never understood that. Why would you get a WRX that's an automatic? Damn, everybody on this road is getting home right now. Everybody who lives on this road. Another one. So I've talked about this before, but this left turn that I'm about to make, I'm not sure if I'm allowed to make it. I think you are. They have this sign here that says no left turn, but that's got to be talking about straight ahead where the do not enter signs are. There's nothing that says that this is, there's nothing like it's not a one-way road. It's like, why can't I just do this? You know? I think it's okay. If you live on this road, are you supposed to go around down the hill, take a left, take another left, and then jump up the hill there and take that right? I don't think so. That doesn't seem very practical. You know? But what do I know? As Alfie Solomon says from Peaky Blinders, if you don't know, then you don't fucking know, do you? So, we don't know. I would be curious to ask a cop though. What would their interpretation of it be? You know, this guy's smart. He knows what's up, and he's got high vis on. Maybe he's a construction guy, or roadwork guy. DOT, man. Those DOT boys. Honestly, dude, I would not mind if I needed to pick up like a side gig, which I am even thinking about doing, finding a second job, because I got 4 days off. Of course, it's like so many of my days go towards house things, or more of them should. More of my time should go towards housely things. But I'd be one of those guys that stand there with the sign and poop, poop, slow, stop, slow, stop, you know? What the, bruh, what, you're on like the wrong side of the road, Holmes. Not really, but you almost was. Oh, we're gonna make great time, dude. I remember I thought I was gonna be late. I left like 8 or 10 minutes after I had started my break, and that usually is no bueno, especially at this time of day. I mean, it doesn't look that busy, but you get caught behind people. I made good time on the way here. I made real good time on the way here. But all right, we'll catch y'all on the flippy flop. If you made it this far, you know, bye.